OKLO, OKLO weekly chart. Here is the breakout. We featured it during here. We're letting us take a look at this trend line. Went right through all of these new highs right there. Let me put it on pause and show you the daily. The daily consolidation right here is the first one when we brought it. That was the little 3-day breakout. We faded back, but we took off like you've never seen before. Look at all the tops on the daily from that daily breakout. Same one matches the weekly. We went right through the tops. We made the highs. We have now pulled back close to the 20-day. We said that 3 days ago on OKLO. Now, having said that, let's take a look at it this way. We finally have the top. You can see 4 days down. You can see the negative volume with the 4-day reversal to a major support where it broke out and it got above the very same trend line that it's sitting on today. And each time that we pulled back, we made a series of new higher highs. So when we have a series of new lower lows to pullbacks, we look at the 20-day moving average, which has risen considerably. It's at 17.2. That would be support. It doesn't have to hit it. It's already hitting a level of support. Yes, it is. So once again, we're going to monitor the levels of support and then the dollar advances. Right now, the stock is only down 79 cents on its 4-day pullback. We can see where the consolidation and the long term went through all the highs. What a great trade that we did and came across. Once again, join us. Get on the Buy Now, Pay Later program and get involved. Get invested in OKLO. I mean, give me a break. Coming off of $5.50 up to the high that we just set right there. I mean, that was at $28.12. Yes, it was. That was the most exciting moment. How to buy pullbacks at support. Understanding strong stocks versus weak stocks when buying pullbacks. Sign up today.